Hello friends and a very good afternoon to all of you all. This is Anchal and I welcome you all in this session. Guys, I hope ये साल आप सभी के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. Reason being, I hope क्या मैं तो कह रही हूँ कि ये साल आप सभी के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Reason being, we have a lot of vacancies this year. एक के बाद एक वैकेंसी निकली चली जा रही है एंड नाउ अगेन वी हैव साउथ इंडियन बैंक की वैकेंसी निकली है. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव इन हियर इज we are here to discuss the vacancies of South India Bank, and the vacancies are for the recruitment of junior officer, or you can say business promotion officer in South Indian Bank. Now, what are the important dates? What is the whole criteria? Where the application date starts, and where can you fill the form? Let's get started with this and see the important notifications about it, right? So, important notices, do not be misguided by any fraudulent job alerts. You will only get the communication link and the form at www.southindianbank.com. The forms will be filled only on this website, nowhere else, right? Now, what are the important dates here? Let me tell you. Application start date starts from 19th, that is, I suppose on Monday, right? So that starts from 19th May 2025. The notification is already released, but the starting date, application date starts from 19th May. The end date is 26th May, so you have a very short time to fill your forms. Do not miss out this and do not wait for the last day to fill the form. It starts from 19th May 2025 and it ends on 26th May 2025. The age limit. Now, what is the eligibility criteria for this position? The age limit is maximum 28 years. You should not be more than 28 years of age, and the age needs to be as on 30th April 2025, right? 5 years of age relaxation is given for SC and SC candidates, after which minimum qualification, education qualification, of course, we know if we are going for banking level examination, we need to have a graduation degree from a recognized university, right? So eligibility criteria according to two things. One is age, that needs to be not more than 28 years, and qualification, education qualification needs to be a graduate in any stream from a recognized university. Now, what is the employment? What is the job profile of this position? So, the designation or job role is junior officer, or you can say business promotion officer. This is a target-based sales role. Now, apart from that, term of appointment needs to be on contract, and initially there will be a period of 3 years, renewable at the sole discretion of the bank. That means if bank is satisfied with your work and with your sales and whatever targets are given to you, then they will consider the contract after 3 years. Of course, initial contract, after the initial contract, which is of 3 years, after which you will definitely progress in your career. Service agreement, there will be no mandatory minimum service period. You can work as long as you can, and posting location anywhere in India as per the bank's requirement. Whatever bank requires, if they require you to work at Prayagraj, even if you belong to South India, this is totally up to the bank, right? After which, salary and compensation, if we talk about this, official duty allowance, you'll get that. Insurance coverage, of course, yes. Other allowances like staff loans, prerequisites, benefits, other facilities, these will be provided. Increment from time to time you will be given. Apart from that, what is the basic CTC that you will be joining with? Total CTC at the time of joining will be 7.44 lakhs per annum, inclusive of NPS contribution, insurance premium, and variable pay based on performance. So this is the whole package that you have for your per annum, as your per annum salary, 7.44 lakhs, right? Okay, moving on, mode of selection, what is that? It's obviously going to be an online test, and after which you will have to go through a personal interview. Mere eligibility will not vest any right on the applicant for being called for recruitment process. That means just because you're eligible for it, that is not the case. You have to qualify the online test, and after which you are supposed to give a personal interview. Now, what happens is, only when you qualify the test, then only you will be called for interview, right? Bank reserves the right to make required modifications to the selection process. Whatever they want, they can change the selection process as well, right? After which, application fee would be for general category 500, and for SC/ST category it's going to be 200. Applicants meeting the stipulated norms only need to apply for the post. That means if you're not graduate, do not go for this post, right? If you're undergraduate, you do not go for this post. If you really want to try your luck and you wish to practice, you can go for IBPS PO, IBS clerk, SBI PO, SBI clerk. Even if you're not graduate, you can go for the preliminary examinations, not for the mains, right? Now, how to apply for this form? As I told you in the beginning itself, what you need to go for, you will only and only apply your forms from www.southindianbank.com. Okay, and please do not miss out on spelling. Maybe you get a different website if you go for India and not Indian. It's South Indian Bank. Okay. So the application starts from 19th May, as I told you, and the application ends on 26th May. So be very careful and file your applications before the last date. Okay. Ensure the application fulfills all the eligibility criteria. Applicants are requested to ensure that the information provided in the online application form is correct. There will be not be any provision to modify the submitted. Okay. That means if you have submitted the form once, there will be no rectifications in it. So be very careful before submitting it, reread it, revise it once and then submit the form. Okay, or recheck rather. Okay. Then we say guidelines for uploading photograph. These are the basic needs that they already give you in every examination. Nothing new about this. These are the general conditions. Nothing else about these. That's all. Chalo. So that's all, guys. What's more important here is your date starts from 19th of May. So there's nothing new to be provided. Now, how many vacancies are provided? How many vacancies are there in this? Which state has what number of vacancies? This is not listed here. That will be provided to you in the near time. And as soon as the update comes, we will be informing you about that. But because the syllabus is quite similar to the other bank examinations that we are appearing for, you can definitely prepare yourself for this exam as well, right? It is an assistant level job, so you can definitely go for a junior officer level job. You can definitely go for it. Okay. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Be prepared to file many forms this year so that you get the selection. Thank you so much.